Grate the potatoes. Add cold water. Two tablespoons cooking oil. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1 teaspoon chopped green chili. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. Add grated potatoes. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Two cup water. Bring it to boil. Cook on medium flame. 1 cup semolina. Cook on medium flame until water dries out. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 3 tablespoons chopped fresh coriander leaves. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Grease the tray. Let it cool. Medium hot oil. Cook on low to medium flame until crispy.